Hey explorers, I'm Anna. This is Bite the Bot. Today we're going on a brain-powered adventure called computational thinking.
Beep beep. That means think like a computer, step by step.
Computational thinking helps us solve problems like computer scientists. It's made of 4 super skills. Decomposition, breaking big problems into smaller ones. Pattern recognition, spotting things that repeat. Abstraction, focusing on what matters most. And algorithms, making step-by-step instructions.
Like a recipe for solving problems.
Let's try it. Imagine you're cleaning your room. First, break it down. Pick up toys, fold clothes, throw away trash. That's decomposition.
Now look for patterns. Do you always find socks under the bed?
That's pattern recognition. And if we only care about the mess, not the color of the socks, that's abstraction.
Finally, write the steps to clean up. That's your algorithm.
Now it's your turn. Find a problem at home or school and try to use the 4 skills. Can you think like a computer?
Beep beep. You're a problem solving superstar.